Just checking in down here at SeaWorld, everybody. So let's see how we're looking. Let's go. Good morning, me Leo. I come out to these vacation spots and I try to wake up early in the morning so we can go airborne and you guys can see the park from the sky, or you guys can see the resort from the sky, sorry about that, and kind of get an idea of what it looks like, what it feels like to be here, what it looks like when there's no people. However, I will tell you, looks like things are definitely opening back up and people are going on vacation again, so praise God for that one. Anyhow, we're about to go airborne and let me show you what we do. Let's go. timeshare place, everybody. If you've never been to one, this is what they look like for the most part. Nice, not bad. But no cigar. We shall not be purchasing any more today. So there we are, finished up with that presentation. They always give you great deals, but no cigar, nothing for us. Anyhow, we did get some points and a little rebate for the next time we stay at another hotel. So let's get back to what we were doing. Let's go. So when you're staying at the SeaWorld resort, it's only right to visit SeaWorld, right? So let's go. Check it out.
you have it. The Hilton Grand Vacation Club SeaWorld Resort in Orlando, Florida. I hope you've liked the video, and if you have, hit that like button for me. If you're new here, subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of all the new uploads. Until next time, be good, do good, and take care.